Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from Boxycharm for November. I'm so thrilled to announce that I'm now an official Boxycharmer and will receive this subscription monthly, so I hope to share these types of videos with you more often. First of all, let's go over some details. Boxycharm is $25 a month and you receive 5 full-size products. Each box is always worth $100. In fact, this month's box includes $160 worth of products. In addition, each month has a theme. This month's theme is Harvest. Now that we've covered the details, let's go ahead and see what's inside. We have the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask, the Alamar Cosmetics Primero Primer, the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, and the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a look with the products inside. Since we did receive these 2 skincare products, I'm going to test them out first. First, let's cleanse the skin with the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This is a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. The cleanser has left my skin feeling soft and hydrated, and it didn't strip it down to be super dry, so I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously, for this demonstration, I'm just wiping it away with a damp cloth, but typically I would be over my bathroom sink. Next, I'm going to apply the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. This mask is supposed to polish and hydrate the skin, leaving it supple and radiant. So I'm just going to leave it on for 5 minutes like the instructions tell me to do, and then I'll massage it away. I actually really like this product so far. I feel like the exfoliating texture, the little bit of graininess is the perfect size, and it's not harsh at all to my skin. Once again, I'm just removing that with a damp cloth, and I'm just going to apply some face makeup and brows really quickly off camera, and then I'll be right back to try out all of the makeup products from the box. Now let's just prime the eyes with the Alamar primer. This is supposed to be a sticky base that glues the eyeshadow in place and maximizes the color payoff. As many of you know, my favorite primer is the Belis base, so it will be interesting to see how this one performs in comparison. The first thing I'm noticing is that it is sticky, and it does cover a bit of my discoloration as well. Now I'm super excited for the next product because I've always wanted to try a Natasha Denona palette. I've heard great things about the formula, so let's dip in and see how it performs. First, I'm using the shade called Jasper. So I'm just applying this shade all over my outer V and dragging it into the crease a bit as well. I am noticing that the primer is not wanting to work with this eyeshadow. It's almost just too sticky. That's a shame because there is a lot of patchiness going on, and I'm pretty sure that it is the primer and not the actual eyeshadow. So it's really not blending at all, and it's just becoming increasingly more patchy. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it, reprime with my Belis base, and give the Natasha Denona palette another go. Already I can tell that this is applying and blending much better than it did when I used the Alamar primer. Now I'm going to add some dimension to the look with the shade called Thorn. Just applying that to my outer V. So I'm not really loving this formula actually. I think it's too dry. It's not really blending that well for me. Now I'm going to add the shade called Amara to my lid. And I'm just going to finish the look with a little bit of the shade called Shine in the inner part of my lid. That shade's really not working with a brush, so I'm going to take my finger and apply it. Last but not least, we have the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I've actually already tried it because I received it as the Sephora birthday gift. It's not my favorite, and that's mostly due to the size of the applicator. It's simply too large for my eye size, and I come into this problem a lot because I have super small eyes. I just have to be really careful not to touch my skin, especially when I'm working with my lower lashes. Of course, this wouldn't be a finished look without lashes and lipstick, so I'll be right back. Here's the finished look using products from the November Boxycharm. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and try on video. Let me know in the comments below if you're subscribed to Boxycharm, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.